All right, we're gonna do Will Joseph Cook and his song "Be Around Me," which is kind of a catchy song, and I like the. It's kind of he's kind of being funny in the video, I think. Oh yeah, so it's do 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 do. So you're playing the E note on the 5th string at the 7th fret, and you're kind of pedaling that against these notes. On the D string, you are playing the 9, 8, 7, and 6. And then I hear this note in there too on the 5th string at the 9th. So you just gotta, if you want to play this song like the recording, you gotta just work up to it. But I'll play it slow. All right, and for the note on the 7th fret on the D, I'm just flattening my finger. Ignore the video. The video does not reflect what's being played on the guitar. And then for the verse and the chorus, and then sometimes they play the E, just the E. They played the B, and then they also played the B major, and they played the A. I think the B 7. This is just the B7. I think they play that most of the time. The A, they switch between the A7 and the A major. Okay, and on those bar chords, you're just picking up your ring finger. No, your pinky. That turns it into a major 7, and you can play these here, A7 and B7. That would work, and then E if you're doing like an acoustic thing. E major, B7, A major, E. That's kind of the verse and the choruses. Song where it's like a bridge. What they do is they play the strings 1 and 2, and then they slide up to the 12th fret. And then, so that is just a fragment of a F chord, E in the key of E. And then they play this. Alright, so it's open. And this is just out of a D shape. So they go 12-12 on strings 1 and 2. Well, they do open. They slide into 12-12. And then they go 11 on the E, 12 on the B. And mostly, though, it's just a drum breakdown. Well, it's pretty beginner-friendly song. Let me see if I can play it in the open position. Oh, and we said it goes to B7. Then we could go to A to E. So you could just strum the whole song. You could kind of emulate that riff a little bit. You could play strings 3 and 2. Then just go to the B. Then to the A. That's how you could kind of emulate the riffs, you know, if you're playing an open position. Here you go. Go to A, your fifth string. Just playing arpeggios and with the root note as the bass. All right, so have fun with that song. I do like the song. I like the kind of humorous. It's a very catchy pop song and it's humorous. So what's not to like? Okay, thanks.